afternoon, Jacket fans, here from Mac Nease Baseball Park in Russ Chandler Stadium as it's time for another afternoon of Georgia Tech baseball. Cold strike three, got him on the outer corner. Two pitches in and Drew Burris sends one out of here in a hurry. This ball is tattooed and it sails to the practice field. This ball is absolutely crushed. Rounding third until the plate is cursed. Zodolaki. Chopper down the third base line. It hits the bag and leaps over the stump. Rounding third and to the plate is Hernandez. He will score and Georgia Tech walks it off.